Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef pho. First, let's prepare the foundational broth. You'll want to roast aromatics like ginger and onions until fragrant. Then, combine beef bones and oxtail in a large pot, simmering them for at least 3 hours. Remember to skim any impurities regularly to ensure a clear, rich broth. Next, we'll infuse the broth with its signature aromatic spices. Gently toast whole spices like star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves until fragrant. Place these toasted spices into a spice bag and add it to your simmering broth. Allow the broth to continue simmering for several more hours, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Now, let's get the noodles and beef ready for serving. Prepare your fresh or dried rice noodles according to the package instructions, ensuring they are perfectly cooked. For the beef, thinly slice raw cuts like sirloin or eye of round. Arrange the cooked noodles and the delicate beef slices neatly in your serving bowls. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious pho bowl. Carefully ladle the hot, strained broth over the noodles and thinly sliced beef in each bowl. Garnish generously with fresh herbs such as cilantro and basil. Offer lime wedges, crisp bean sprouts, and a touch of chili sauce on the side for a personalized touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.